Hello everyone, this is short tutorial how to butcher meat. You will need hand gloves, safety first. You need a knife to cut the meat, and you need an axe. First of all, what you do, you cut the plastic off to free up the meat. You can leave the plastic to protect it. Always use butcher block or just a stamp. This is from Costco, and we will going to be cut it. So these pieces are huge. There's almost like 5 inches here, 7-8 inches here, and almost 12 inches here. So these pieces should go cut in half. You kind of cut like this in this manner, and make a line as so, and with a sharp axe hit once and start from the place where you're working, like right here. And use the knife to cut it through. I haven't butchered the meat at least for 15 years. So if you make a nice sharp cut, you're not going to have mess like I have. I haven't cut this one yet. There we go. And we're gonna make one cut here. Something like this. And before you put everything away, like in our case is going to be a separate container, look for the sharp pieces. They're usually very feelable. You can feel them, and try to clean from them so you don't have them in your meal. now we have great portions that you can use for the broth or for other menus and meals. You'll just get the meat off of it and use bones elsewhere if you would like. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this wasn't really hard.